Good morning, students. I hope you are well and safe at home and doing well in your studies. In our last class, we have discussed about introduction, location, extent and boundaries of Australia, chapter 9. Today in our HCG2 class, we will study about political and physical features of Australia. Now let us first start with political divisions. Australia is divided into 6 states and 2 territories. New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Western Australia, these are 6, and Tasmania. These are 6 states, and 2 territories which are governed by central government are Northern Territory, that is Northern Territory, and Australian Capital Territory. Now let us see capitals of these states and territories. Capital of New South Wales is Sydney. Sydney is 12th most expensive city in the world, and 65% of Australia's finance industry is located in Sydney. Capital of Victoria is Melbourne. Melbourne has the highest number of restaurants and cafes per number of people than any other city in the world. Capital of South Australia is Adelaide. Capital of Queensland is Brisbane. Capital of Tasmania is Hobart. Capital of Western Australia, Perth. Northern Territory, Darwin. And Australian Capital Territory, Canberra. So this was all about the political divisions of Australia. Now let us start with the physical features of Australia. Australia can be divided into 4 physical features, 4 relief features. That is, first, Eastern Highlands, Central Lowlands, Western Plateau and Coastal Plains. Eastern Highlands lie towards the eastern side, this grey part. Then we have Central Lowlands here, Western Plateau, this in pink color, and Coastal Plains are these in light green color. So these are physical features of Australia. Today we will study about Eastern Highlands. Eastern Highlands are parallel to the eastern coast of Australia. These are parallel to the eastern coast of Australia. Stretches from Cape York Peninsula, this is Cape York Peninsula in the north, to Tasmania in the south. Eastern Highlands include Great Dividing Range, this is Great Dividing Range, and Great Barrier Reef. So first let us discuss about Great Dividing Range. Great Dividing Range consists of folded rocks and have been subjected to weathering and erosion. So what is weathering here? Weathering is breaking down of rocks due to several factors, due to mechanical factors, due to biological factors. So that is weathering. If we talk about Great Dividing Range, their surface is like a plateau. Mount Kosciuszko, that is, and let me show you this map. Mount Kosciuszko is the highest peak in New South Wales of Australia that lies in Great Dividing Range. In New South Wales, here we have New South Wales. In New South Wales, Great Dividing Range is known as Blue Mountains. Here, these are Blue Mountains. Let me show you in another map. See, these are Blue Mountains. In Victoria, they are called as Australian Alps here. Okay, Murray and Darling River. Murray River and Darling River rivers are important in this region, and they originate from these mountains, and they are good source of generating electricity, that is hydroelectricity. Now let us discuss about Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef is largest coral reef in the world and stretches around 2000 meter along the northeastern coast of Australia in the Pacific Ocean. Coral reef is a large underwater structure made up of dead and living corals. So that is coral reef. Here, this is the largest coral reef in the world, stretches around 2000 meters along the northern coast of Australia in Pacific Ocean. Now what is coral reef? Coral reef, that I have told you now, large underwater structure made up of dead and living corals. This reef is formed by tiny sea creatures called as coral polyps. Tiny sea creatures, which are soft-bodied organisms, live in shallow warm water of sea. They secrete calcium carbonate, a white substance which after their death consolidates into a ridge-like structure in different shapes and sizes. So this is coral polyps. Now they occur in different colors. They are in different colors. These coral polyps are in different colors, like in red, in pink, white. This place is of great tourist attraction. This Great Barrier Reef is of great tourist attraction, and when ship sails in these areas, that cause danger for reef. This is dangerous for reef, and human activities like mining also causes damage to reef. So this was all about the Eastern Highlands. Thank you.